Hi guys. You'll see me at the bottom of the bottle because it is the best part of the bottle. The bottom of the bottle. No. Just joking. I am losing my high pitch tone and I may never be able to sing. Cause I drank too much of the bottom of the bottle. Just mess with you. Why does that make me laugh when I sound like that? Do you know what I call that voice? The Buffalo Bill voice. He's like, put the lotion on the skin, and you will be rewarded with Auto Trader. Put the lotion on the skin. No, I'm picking up Finley again. Ding, 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 ding. I'm a different person. I'm that creepy guy that always hangs out in this house with these dogs. Not Buffalo Bill. Buffalo Bill. That's why I sound like this usually. Because I'm actually not that big. Miniature Buffalo Bill. Buffalo Bill's huge. Big dude. I'm like 6'2". He's like 7 feet tall or something.